I turned the $1,000 to up to six figures day trading,
Wow.
and I've been literally longing Bitcoin since.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another JSpizzle Crypto YouTube video. Today, we have a very special video because we have a special guest with us. His name is Ferdy, and he is going to share with us how he trades Bitcoin every day as a day trader for a living. So, to start today with the most important question, how are you doing, Ferdy?
Hey man, doing pretty good. How about you?
I'm doing just fine. Thank you. Thank you.
Nice, nice. So basically, I've been trading for almost 3 years now. I turned the $1,000 to up to six figures day trading,
Wow.
and I've been literally longing Bitcoin since around 17K, 16K,
Wow.
and long it all the way to like 100K, even 124K. And it was pretty easy back then because we were just trending, so I would just long every pullback, and then I would just be patient. But then actually, like this year, oh no, last year, I started learning more about draw on liquidity, um, proper risk management, risk to reward ratio, and so I was longing Bitcoin from 17K all the way to 100K, and I was just
Wow.
longing every pullback. And just last year, I started trading with an actual plan. I
Yeah.
start out my day watching the calendar because most of the markets are most moves are very news driven, like every
Yeah.
time tweet trumps, every time there unemployment claim numbers, GDP inflation rate. So everyone's just waiting for those numbers. So you got to watch out for the calendar. So I basically start my day with watching the calendar, and then I would, you know, basically just from watching it, I could get a glimpse of how the market's going to range, and I would see which levels I would want to take. So for this week, uh, you just want to see like the red folders. We call it red folders
Yeah.
because it's only the high impact news that you want to trade it with, like NFP, Powell, FOMC.
Right.
When he speaks, we get volatility, and that's how we make our money, right? So
Yeah.
I've been doing this for 3 years now, and I've been consistently making 50 to 100 bucks a day on a good day. On a bad day, yeah, we do lose. On a bad day, I also go on tilt, but because of risk to reward ratio and holding my winners, letting my winners run,
Yeah.
you could make it all back and some more
Right.
if the trade goes in your way. So looking at the chart right now, we only have three red folders for USA. I only watch USA news basically. So we got ISM services on Tuesday. Today we didn't have any news. That's why Bitcoin is just ranging.
Yeah.
But I gave this long today, and I already took some profits. This was a pretty basic setup long. This was the daily open and weekly open back test from this move up, and I long here, took some profits here, and I'm actually looking to add if Nasdaq and EAS is gonna push up. So let's start with how I um, chart. Let me use the Coinbase chart. All right, so I usually start with the weekly candles, and it's very important to also add this indicator, the chart champions levels, and it will basically give you the previous week equilibrium, monthly open, daily open, previous day high. Those are levels you want to see on your chart
Right.
if you want to day trade Bitcoin. So I usually start with that with weekly, and then I would I want to watch where are the liquidities, and if we have a nice high, nice low, and I would make my plan from there. So looking at the weekly profile right now, looks like we do have a nice high. So this means that Bitcoin might actually come down. But looking at this candle too, it looks like a really nice low as well for the weekly. And we did bounce pretty nicely from the previous
Yeah.
all-time high, which is now turned support. So my guess for this week, or my thesis for this week, is we're just going to range inside while waiting for a catalyst or waiting for a news driven type of move. Now, um, we checked our calendar, only two red folders, so I'm not expecting a huge move. So it might not be ideal to hold on swing trades during this week. And then next, I would go to the daily time frame and I would mark my levels. So the volume profile, I use this on a range. If you see a range like this, I would mark the volume profile, and then the levels that I look at for volume profiles are the point of control only, because that's like the highest volume on the price on this range, basically.
Yeah.
So for this trade, I actually gave out this long too on my video, the previous all-time high, and the second tool that I use is the Fibonacci. I'm not sure if uh, do you use the Fibonacci, bro?
It's my favorite. Yeah.
I know, right? So I don't know what is this golden rule, but it's seen in the whole universe
Yep.
apparently, like from shells to like galaxies. It's like the perfect ratio, and it gives out really pretty nice trades. So those are the levels that I look out for. And then looking at this now, like I would just basically see like if Bitcoin would reject from the equilibrium from last week, then there's a higher chance that we would go lower.
Right.
But if Bitcoin could get above this and get inside this range, then there's higher chance that we might go higher. That's it. Very simple TA. You see a range, standard deviation went down from the range, and if it gets accepted back here, there's a higher chance.
Right.
If we get rejected from this point of control right here, you can mark this out. You could trade this like a short, then we're probably gonna rage here, wait for a big move or catalyst. So those are my favorite trades. I would want to see a volume profile point of control that lines up with a golden pocket,
Yeah.
and maybe a weekly open, a previous day low, previous day equilibrium, or previous week um, equilibrium. Now, for if you're looking for a swing long trade, I would only take this trade right here. Let me just mark it out. Uh, Hold on. There's something like that. Maybe even here. So, looking at this range right here, this is a pretty nice, like this would be a strong support.
Yeah.
So I would say if you want to long Bitcoin on like a swing trade and not trade on the range here, then you would have to wait for these two levels, um, the golden pocket from this swing low to the swing high, and then the point of control. That's it. Pretty simple. I only mix uh, a level, point of control on a range or a move up or move down, and a key level, previous month low or previous month open. Then I would play around with the volume profile from this move up, you know, try to find, from this move up, it says here that most volume traded is around this level.
Yeah.
So this is like a good support as well.
Yeah.
And it lines up with previous month open. It's a monthly open candle, so that is a strong level too. And I believe that is also the golden pocket from this pivot point.
Wow. Well, I'm gonna have to pick some
Yeah,
orders
so
open.
yeah, so I just mark it out, put my box, like I would put a box like that, long box, and then set some alerts. And now that would be my two swing longs if Bitcoin does, if Bitcoin decides to come lower. Because that would be I'm sure, like, there's gotta be a bounce. If there's no bounce, then, obviously we're gonna come lower.
Yeah.
So that's it. That's my whole strategy. I've been trading for 3 years now,
Wow.
and I've tried everything like ICT, order flow, but this type of trading using volume profiles, draw on liquidity, you gotta know where the level's gonna go, your levels, and then the golden pocket and order flow, it works really well
Wow.
because retails and smart money trades very different
Yeah.
because if you see Bitcoin come down here, like retail traders would get in a short right here thinking, oh my God, it's over, Bitcoin's
Yeah.
going to zero, A lot of short bottom shorters would short here, and then smart money would come in and buy it all back. And you would see that on the order flow, and it would just squeeze them all out.
First squeeze. Wow.
Yeah. So those are like the trades that I really like, I really want. I would only wait for those key levels and wait for trap traders, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you're guaranteed, not every time, because usually if we come down to like a very key level, it's gonna be a fight. Like the bulls and the bears are gonna fight it out hard. Like you would
Yeah.
see on the order flow, like 5 million longs, 10 million longs, and then the moment when there's no follow through, like not enough longs to push the price up, then the early longs would just get out. They would close out. CVD would come down. Then shorters would short it again. So that's it.
Yeah. Wow, that's awesome. All right, man. So thank you so much for sharing that. And guys, if you guys want to tap into this and be able to make money every single day trading Bitcoin and other altcoins that Ferdy trades, I'm going to have his YouTube link in the description below. Be sure to go check him out. He uploads every single day, and like he said, these trades that he was showing you guys, like he's actually been actively posting these on his YouTube channel. And so if you guys want to go follow him right now, you guys can actually get these trades for free following him. Alrighty, guys. Well, that's all we have for today. God bless you guys. And until tomorrow, we'll see you then. Bye bye.